Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to do a paid in and paid out. So you're going to sign in on the workstation with the cash drawer and go up to the top menu here. And then you're going to go down to cash drawer. Once you're in here, you should see an option for paid in, paid out, which you just select this, this blue step 1 link here, and it's going to give you an option to do the paid in and paid out. For this, I'm just going to do a paid out. And it's going to ask for the amount. So we'll just say $20. Let's say I sent someone to the store to get tomatoes because we were out of tomatoes. So I gave them a 20 out of the drawer. So we do a paid out. Comments, we'll put tomatoes or Tom's. And then we finalize it by saying paid out. It confirms, are you doing $20 paid out? We do yes. Okay, and then let's say they come back with the tomatoes and some change, and we want to put the change back in the drawer, so we'll select this again. We'll do paid in, and we'll do a paid out or paid in amount of $15. And we'll do Tom's change. And then we finalize it by doing the paid in. And select OK to confirm. And now we should see both our paid in and paid outs over here in this area. And that's all there is to it. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.